Hey, hello guys, welcome to Tech Cheese YouTube channel. So to tell about myself, I'm an ordinary middle class boy who's hustling hard daily to achieve a laptop lifestyle. So this is my first video on YouTube. By making videos on YouTube, I am actually using this channel to share about softwares and money making skills that I learned from different free sources like blogs and other YouTube channels. By sharing my knowledge with someone like you, I can also improve my grip in the concept, and I can improve my communication skills, and I can also maintain consistency in hustling. Well, if you're someone with same goals and attitude as me, and if you are also struggling or hustling daily, or if you want to learn something new, you can join our community in Telegram. This is an entirely new community. I have started this just before starting this channel. I have given the Telegram channel link in the description. I have also attached the link of notepad file for the procedure that I have followed in this video. So without wasting much time, let us directly jump into the video. So the first step is you have to go into your browser. You have to type obsproject.com. Once you enter that, you will find three buttons which says Windows, Mac OS 10.13 Plus and Linux. Since mine is a Windows PC, I'm clicking on Windows. So once you click on that, your download will start automatically. So this is the folder of file of the OBS Studio installer, as I have installed it already, and that is the software I'm using to record the screen right now. I have clicked on cancel. So once you click on cancel, you can continue with the download, and after you continue with the download, you can simply click on this arrow button and you can click on show in folder, so that it will locate the file for you wherever it is present in your PC. So after that, you have to install that file by you have to double click on it, and it will ask you if you are ready to allow it to make changes. So you should click on it and the download will be completed. So the problem with OBS Studio is that once after you complete, if you are using it on a laptop where it has two different graphic cards, one is integrated graphic card and the other one is separate graphic card, additional graphic card. There are some instances where your screen will be blank. Actually, once you open the OBS Studio file, it should appear like this, but it does not appear like this, and it shows a black screen. That problem occurs because you have two graphic cards, and OBS Studio runs on the additional graphic card, and the video will be recorded on the integrated graphic card. So in order to solve that problem, what you have to do is you have to click on start, you have to click on settings. So in settings, you have to click on system. In system, click display, and in display, you have to click on graphic settings. In graphic settings, there will be a drop down which has two options. One is classic app and universal app. You have to click on classic app and you have to click on browse. After clicking on browse, you have to locate your OBS software wherever it is present in your PC. So in order to do that, this is actually the path of of OBS Studio in a default PC. So if yours is present somewhere else, you have to locate it. So you have to click on this PC, OS program files OBS Studio bin in 64-bit, and you will find this OBS 64. You have to single click on that and you have to add it. After clicking on add, you have to close this, and your OBS Studio will appear here. You have to single click on OBS Studio, single left click, you have to click on options, and here it shows power saving GPU, high performance GPU. Your power saving GPU is the one which is integrated with your processor, and that as mine is an Intel CPU, it shows Intel UHD graphics, and my high performance CPU is NVIDIA GeForce MX 230. So the black screen appears because so the same the same power saving GPU of which is used in your system will appear in your system. High performance GPU, whatever is used in your system, will appear here. So since in my system these are used, it is showing me this. So after that, this black screen problem appears because your power saving GPU, that is your integrated GPU, helps to run the video, helps to record the video, and the high performance GPU uses OBS Studio. Your OBS Studio uses high performance GPU. So what we're doing is that we are enabling OBS. We are making sure that OBS Studio runs on a power saving GPU, that is the Intel integrated graphics card, and also the video is also recorded on the integrated graphics card. By default, video is recorded on integrated graphic card. So we are changing the OBS Studio settings, and we are making sure that it is running on power saving GPU. So after that, you should click on save. As I have already clicked on there, I am clicking on cancel. So that is how this so after after you clicked on that, you can close this graphic settings, and you can also close this X button. You can click on this X button, you can close here OBS Studio. So once if you open your OBS Studio after if you reopen it, if you restart it, your screen will appear like this, which means that your display is ready to record. So that is it, guys. That is it for this video. If you want some other content, if you have doubts regarding something else, you can leave a comment in the description. I will make sure that I reply your comments. So make sure to subscribe and like this video if you truly like it, and subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. Thank you for watching this video, guys.